If you've ever wanted to make money online or from your computer, this is the program for you.
Easy Cash World is a top-notch, high-quality program that over-delivers in every possible way.
Earning an income from home is actually possible.
Wow, the taste of success. I mean, honestly, would you be upset if you were surprised by easy, quick cash? If you earned actual cash and it was so easy that it was literally a surprise when you checked your balance? I think you would probably react like all of the good people you just saw. Well, we here at Easy Cash World have seen that reaction multiple times, and it never gets old. In fact, truthfully, it's my favorite part. Welcome to Easy Cash World. Where our primary goal is to see these kinds of reactions from all of our members. You feel great from the easy income. We feel fantastic that we were able to provide this for you. Easy Cash World is a brand new revolutionary program that puts you into a position of power. We place you right into the driver's seat. We are proud when we say that this is why people who have struggled for a long time to make money online are finally breaking through and living the dream online lifestyle. But we can't forget to mention that people who have never even tried to earn an income online are also breaking through and starting to supplement their bank accounts simply by taking advantage of the opportunity you will find within this program. This is because at Easy Cash World, we provide you with an entire online business. We're talking about your own product with your name on it, and your own website with your name on it. Heck, you can even name the product and website yourself. You do not need to create any content yourself. You do not need any previous experience whatsoever. You do not need to have any technical skills or web developing talent. You do not need large investments or business overhead or anything you would usually expect from an opportunity that consists of making large amounts of money with ease. You can do this from anywhere in the world. Easy Cash World is international. Sounds pretty unbelievable, huh? Well, believe it. This is how things happen at Easy Cash World. Most everybody dreams of being a successful entrepreneur one day. It's a dream to be able to own your own successful business, big or small. When you are your own boss, there is no limit to how much money you can make. You decide your future. You also get to pick your hours, take vacations whenever you please, and spend more time with your family. But it gets even better when you own your own online business, because now you can work from anywhere at any time. So you can even go on vacation and make money while you're enjoying that vacation. Easy Cash World members do it all the time. So how does it work? Once you become a member, you will be given your own online business. In fact, you will be able to choose from thousands. You will get to choose as many as you would like. We give you thousands of online products to pick from. These are all extremely high quality and proven to sell extremely well. Pick the ones you like, and you are given 100% rights to put your own name on them as your own product. All of these are online programs that people want to pay you for. They range from ebooks to video courses to weight loss programs, and the list goes on. Not only do you get these products to sell, but they also come with accompanying websites. These websites are built from the ground up to sell that particular product, and they are yours. So you will get thousands of products to choose from and their accompanying websites. Talk about having your own online business. But that is only the beginning of Easy Cash World's revolutionary program. We will also teach you how to market these websites to make easy sales online for easy cash. And the best part? You keep every penny of the sale. We don't ask for any of your income whatsoever. What you make is yours. This is real life money. You can have checks sent to your home or have the money put directly into your PayPal account. Save this money, spend this money, the choice is yours. Can it get any better? Well, as it turns out, yes. You can even have affiliates promote your websites and products for you. You decide how much of each sale you will reward them with. and then sit back and relax. And these are professional marketers who have been marketing for years. Since you are now the owner of these products, you can have these professional marketers flood your website with sales and earn loads of cash all along the way. I'm getting excited just talking about it. So let's put this into perspective, but please keep in mind the following disclaimer. Easy Cash World does not guarantee that you will earn any specific amount of income or any whatsoever. Let's say you choose a product and choose to sell it for $47 on your provided website. Let's start small and say you earn 1 sale per day at that price. Well, that equates to an extra $329 per week. That's $1,316 per month and $15,792 per year. Now let's imagine you earn 2 sales a day for that product at that price. That's $94 per day, $658 per week, $2,632 per month, and $31,584 per year.
I've tried many ways of making money online, but none of them have come close to Easy Cash World. None of the other programs I've tried have ever put so much power into my hands.
Easy Cash World is easily my favorite website that I've ever joined, and I plan on being a member for as long as I possibly can.
Wow, amazing! You can see how quickly this can add up. Keep in mind that this is just one website and you have thousands to pick from. Imagine a future where you have 5 websites, all earning you that much cash or more, each at the same time. This is how real 6-figure incomes are being earned online every single day all over the world. Become a member of Easy Cash World today and receive instant access to our members-only area, where you will find thousands of products to claim as your own and start earning cash from. Browse through our tons and tons of easy-to-follow, step-by-step video tutorials, where we will guide you through every step of the process. Our program and members area are extremely high quality and user-friendly. So what are you waiting for? You are only moments away from becoming a real online business owner. Easy Cash World is the newest and hottest program online to date. In fact, we are so fully confident that you will love being a member that we will include our ironclad, make money or it's free, 60-day 100% satisfaction money-back guarantee. Join Easy Cash World today and give it a test drive for an entire 60 days. And if for some crazy reason you are not completely satisfied with the money you earn by having your own online business, including your own products and own websites that are already built and proven, just waiting for you to put your name on them, then we will refund your entire deposit. No questions asked. Joining Easy Cash World is a completely risk-free decision and a true no-brainer. Earning an income from home has never been this easy or rewarding. So go ahead, scroll down to learn more, check out some member testimonials, and get started today. I'll see you on the inside.